Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to let my best friend fuck up my hair. Stay tuned. So this is going to be especially fun because I have tape-in extensions in my hair right now and I can't dye it myself because I fucked it up like 3 times. We're going to be using Garnier from Walgreens. This is Kaylee.
What's up, you guys? Should I read the directions or should
I know how to do it. I can mix it all up.
Okay, cool. You just do these.
This is what I use every time I dye my hair. Maybe I should stop using it because it fades really fucking fast.
And that's just black.
Doesn't help. Like a month ago I was blonde. We love having emotional breakdowns and dyeing our hair. Crazy colors. We went and floated the river today and had the best time ever.
It's atrocious.
I'm sorry.
And you're... Are you tender-headed?
Sometimes. I should have brought my phone over here.
The last guy I fucked was 42.
I'm moving in with my 2 best friends. And like, what month is it? August? September, October, November, December. 4 months. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Go.
How does my stomach? What the fuck did you do? Okay, wait. Haley's social when she's drunk.
Everyone said all the cute guys are on Hinge. Bitch, where? Okay, he's cute.
Oh.
Maybe I do have a type. This is burning my scalp.
Sorry, I'm getting it all over your face.
It's okay. I look like a crackhead, but it's going well.
Oh shit.
Nipple's so hard to cover.
You can't. Try not to hurt you that much.
Honestly, you haven't hurt me yet, so like, shout out to you, yeah.
I'm gentle.
Oh my god.
But I can
So,
clean it up.
my hair is dyed, and I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 minutes. I will update you guys when it dries. Also, we'll probably do face masks, so like, stay tuned. My hair turned out fine. Oh my god.
I'm just gonna wing this because I can't see
It's so cold. I look terrifying. Oh, baby. Why is this not working?
Just been... Mine's a hot mess.
How long do we leave these on for? I didn't even read the directions. What happened?
I hate you.
So we're using these face masks. Well, I messed up there. Rest comfortably for 10 to 20 minutes and remove the mask. We shall be back. Okay, hello. How's your face feel?
Cold and burning at the same time.
Oh, they said pat, not rub. This is my face after. It's shiny and kind of soft. I like it, but also sticky. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and click the like button down below if you love me just a little bit. And subscribe. Bye.